The textile industry is one of the most polluting industries in the world, and this is because it generates a lot of urban and industrial textile waste. Only in Chile, one person per year produces more or less 28 kilos. We are Rebecca, and we see the thing differently. We recycled cloth, textile waste from retails through a physically recycling process, and we create reclaimed fiber that can also be recycled in the future. And then we sell this to as a raw material to other industries.
We start the project because we are interested on preserve the environment and in the local industry growth. Our team is composed by Andrea Rivera y Aníbal Román. Andrea is a master's student of social psychology on Adolph Evans University and also founder of Nice Shoes, an online clothing store. Aníbal is an industrial engineering of University of Santiago de Chile with experience as analyst in institutions like Corfo y el Grupo Santander. We invite you to join us to believe in us and to join Rebecca.